Welcome to Virtual Nomads, where we serve you lifestyle and inspiration through travel. And for this content, we will be in my hometown, Toronto. I try to not shoot when I'm here, but the little that I have, I will share. So, like, share, subscribe, and enjoy.
A little bit of Jessica, here I am.
Luckily for you, Toronto Pearson International Airport has a newly operated train that takes you right into the heart of the city in just 25 minutes. The Up Express departs from the airport every 15 minutes, and it is one of the fastest and most reliable ways to travel. Plus, there's free Wi-Fi. Once you arrive at Union Station in downtown Toronto, you have so many options. You can leave the station and walk throughout the city, or you can take our public transportation, which we like to call the TTC, and it can take you anywhere you want in the city for an affordable price. What to do in Toronto? Well, you can go to the Nathan Phillips Square and take a picture in front of the infamous Toronto sign and put it on your Instagram. Very close by in that area is amazing cuisines from places all over the world. The best thing about Toronto is we are a multicultural city, and it shows in our food. Another amazing place that you can check out is the Yonge and Dundas Square. It is our miniature version of Times Square, and it is very vibrant. There's always an event taking place in this area, and it is very close to one of the biggest shopping centers, Eaton Center. And of course, there is amazing cuisines, art galleries nearby, and it is very close to the subway stations that can take you right back to Union Station. So why should you visit Toronto? Well, there's always something happening in Toronto. We have amazing boutiques and restaurants that seem to be open every day of the week, sometimes 24/7. Our neighborhoods are distinct linguistically, gastronomically, and cultural as well. The best part about Toronto, it's not just an urban jungle. Toronto is filled with lush greenery and an abundance of parks. It's hard to imagine a better city to explore. Plus, you definitely have to visit the CN Tower, which is one of our most iconic places to see and visit. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope it only inspires you to visit my hometown, Toronto. If you are interested in city tours while you're doing your stopover, or a tour throughout the province of Ontario, feel free to reach out to us at www.virtualnomads.com, or you can email us at jessica@virtualnomads.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.